Hyperbaric Services of the Palm Beaches is a JACO accredited facility, and that means that the JACO accreditation is the accreditation for medical facilities, hospitals, and medical centers all over the country. So this is the only hyperbaric facility that has JACO accreditation. You will find that there is always a trained hyperbaric doctor on staff, MD on staff the whole entire time. There is also safety features that are in line with all the guidelines of the JACO accreditation. I have a son who is 21 years old now and has autism. So many years ago when he was 7 years old and he was totally nonverbal at that time, we were looking for therapies to help with his yeast, and he had yeast in his GI tract, but he also had systemic yeast, which is yeast overgrowth in his whole body. So I had done some research on oxygen therapies, and hyperbaric was actually the suggested therapy for treating this kind of a problem. We actually had broken through with a little bit of language from doing the first 50 treatments of the hyperbaric oxygen. I mean, obviously it wasn't like he had instantaneous speech, but it was the beginning.
And he seems to be more relaxed in the chamber, so...
He's been at pressure IC for quite a while.
Yes, he has.
Good. What we saw was absolutely amazing, because the hyperactivity did calm down significantly enough that he was able to do other therapies, which was one of the things that I was looking for. The hyperbaric actually treats the idling neurons in the brain, so it gets them active and moving, so you could see that he cognitively was beginning to have better receptive language, was more awareness of his surroundings, and also the other thing that the hyperbaric was doing was improving his muscle tone. The hard chambers are definitely the way to go. The hard chambers, you have pressurized oxygen. In the mild hyperbaric, you're not going to get that kind of those kinds of results, because you don't have any kind of a pressure. Also, the staff is very wonderful. They're warm. They make everybody feel at home. It's exceptionally clean and impeccable how the chambers are kept, and I think a person coming here has no worries in terms of any kind of situation for their child or adult, whoever coming for therapy for hyperbaric.